Assalamu alaikum. Myself Mahanur and I'm your C programming instructor. Welcome back to our channel Learn to Solve. As we are moving forward from further programs to check whether we are getting the knowledge of C language or not. So clearing our queries, going forward to our program number 3, that is how to check the whether the inputted number is even or odd. First of all, what is even number or what is odd number? Even number वो होते हैं जो हमारे 2 से divisible होते हैं और odd number वो होते हैं जो हमारे पास 2 से divisible नहीं होते. So let's code a program that check whether the inputted number is even or not. First of all, we need to open our Turbo C++. Now start coding. First of all, we write void main, then open a block, then clear screen. For clearing a screen that only shows output, then initialize a variable that is num for number input, then take input from user, printf, enter any number, scanf, %d, which is a format specifier, comma, address of num. Then we use if-else statement for checking and making the decision whether the inputted number is even or not. If it is divisible by 2, that it is an even number, and if it is not divisible by 2, then it is an odd number. If num divisible by divisible by 2 equals to 0. अगर ये divisible हो जाए और इसका आंसर 0 आ जाए, then print होगा printf this is an even number. Else अगर इसका आंसर 0 नहीं आएगा तो ये प्रिंट करेगा printf this is an odd number. Now we have to check whether it is working or not. First of all, get character and closing our block. Enter any number. For example, we enter 7. It is an odd number. So 7 is not, as we know, 7 is not divisible by 2. So it prints the output. It is not even number, it is an odd number. Now we have check an odd even number. We enter 8, which is an even number. So it prints successfully. This is an even number. This program runs successfully and check whether it is inputted number is even or not odd. So in this video I told you about how to check whether the number is even or odd. Be active with us for more videos related to programming, C programming, and any other programming, web designing videos related to computer science in our channel. Press the bell icon for the latest updates from our channel.